a digital marketing agency, and for that, we regularly create creatives for our clients, be it website banners, the posts they're going to post on their social media platforms, and much more. And while we create these creatives, we require some image. So instead of generating the images manually, what we do is we use Pabbly Connect. Whenever I'm just going to add the details of the image, like the image idea, style, and use case, in this Google Sheets, within seconds and in real time, it is going to generate me the image. And as you can see over here, this image is going to be generated within seconds and in real time. And further, my team can use the same image. So as you can see, the image is generated. So let's open this image right over here. This blog banner is generated using the same details which are entered in this Google Sheets. And within seconds and in real time, this image was generated. So this is the objective of our today's video, that we're going to learn how to create this amazing automation. And in order to create this amazing automation, you just require Pabbly Connect and you have to follow me. What you have to do is grab on your laptops and follow me till the end. If you are an existing user, open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can generate up to 100 of images for free. And yes, this is true. So try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. And if you wish to purchase the plan of Pabbly Connect and wish a heavy discount, the coupon code for the same is attached in the description box below. You can use this coupon code in order to get a very good discount on your purchase. So I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can definitely use this coupon code to purchase Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets. So let's search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now it is asking me for the webhook URL, so simply copy the webhook URL and open your Google Sheets which you wish to connect. Then go towards this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. We are going to add an extension in this spreadsheet named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So we are going to search for the same extension, which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Select it, and you have to install this extension right from here. I have already installed this extension. Once you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. So let's clear this first, and we're going to start it from scrap. All right, so let's say this is my Google Sheets, and now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go towards this extensions. Once you're going to refresh, you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Once you're on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So the webhook URL is the same URL which you received over here in your Pabbly Connect. So just copy this webhook URL and paste it right over here. So let's paste the webhook URL right over here, and now it is asking for the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is C because I want to send 3 details towards Pabbly Connect, and I want that whenever I enter the 3 details, the workflow should get triggered. So you have to enter the trigger column according to your own choice. That should be the final data column. It depends upon your spreadsheet. If you want to use 1 detail, you can enter the trigger column as A. If you want to use 2 details, it will be B or C like me. Alright, after entering the webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, simply click on this button which says send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response. You're going to see all the details, be it the image idea, be it the trigger column, use case, style, spreadsheet name, and all the details are captured, and this detail is the first row right over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this connection, but now you have to make sure that you go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks and make sure that this button is switched on. If not, just click on this button and it will be switched on. What is important over here, like when we switch on this button, whenever now new event is going to occur in this spreadsheet, the details will be sent towards our webhook URL, and this workflow is going to get triggered and run in real time. So you have to make sure that you switch on this button. It is a very important step. Alright, so now after completing this, let's generate the image. For that we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Gemini and select Google Gemini right over here. For the event, we have to select it as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, go towards this Google AI Studio. Once you're on this Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go towards this get API key button, click on this create API key, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so copy the key and paste it right over here. After you paste this key, click on this save and your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the prompt using which you're going to generate the image. So to enter this prompt, I have already made this prompt and I'm just going to use this same prompt. So I'm just going to copy this prompt right from here and paste it over here. And after entering this prompt, I'm just going to paste the details in this prompt, like the image idea, style, and then the use case one by one, which we received from Google Sheets. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've successfully mapped these details. Now let's move further. It is asking for the image URL. So if you are editing the images, then you can add the image URL right over here. What you can do is you can add the image URL in your Google Sheets and you're going to receive the same, so you can map the image URL if you wish to edit any image. Otherwise, if you wish to generate a new image, you can ignore this field and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, Google Gemini is going to generate us the image using the same details. And as you can see, the image is ready. So let's copy this file URL and we're just going to check that is this image correct or not. So let's open it, and as you can see, related to my details, the image is correct. So let's upload it in our Google Sheets. Let's close this, and now we're going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as update cell value, because we want to add this image Google Sheets again in this cell, which is D2. Alright, so now let's click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on the sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to connect our Google Sheets. After selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Your data is 100% secure with Pabbly, no need to worry. Once you give all the permissions, your Google Sheets account will be connected with Pabbly. And after you connect your Google Sheets account, you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add this image. After selecting the spreadsheet and the sheet, you have to enter the range in which you want to update. So as you can see, the range is D2. Alright, so I'm just going to enter D2, but now it is D2, but with every new response it is going to change. It will be D3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. But you can notice that this D is constant. Only the row is changing. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep D as static, but we're going to map the row index so that this row will change with every new response. Now for the value, we're going to map the image which Gemini generated, and we're going to click on this save and send test request. Once I'm going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the image in Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you can see the image is added. So let's open it and you're going to see this is the same image. Not only this, now whenever I'm just going to enter all of these three details right over here, within seconds and in real time, the image will be generated and added right over here in my Google Sheets. I don't have to do anything. I just have to enter the image idea, style and use case. The image is generated and I can use it further for another purposes too. So yes, you can see with this we have successfully completed this workflow, and now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can use my prompt and create this amazing automation for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.